2, 3, 4, and 5. 4. Congratulations. And
thank you. I have an autographed one, not as far as I'm aware, but like I'm sure I could autograph a card if I pulled it, or if someone else pulled it. No, as far as I'm aware, we don't get like a whole lot of say in everything. We get a say in our own card, so we've given like prompts for like the art for it, and sort of if we have any specific sort of like things we want added or whatever. But yeah, nothing. We haven't been told anything about like autographing anything, so I assume that would just be like a take it as it comes kind of thing. Ooh, we have a Crispin full art. Nice. Do we reckon he's actually cooking something in there, or do we reckon he's just using it as like just as a frying pan, like Tangled style? Well, want your autographed one. I'm honored. Thank you. If anyone gets any of them and wants a card of me autographed, I will happily autograph it for sure. Cut up a shirt and make some patch auto cards. I mean, it's funny because I did like a while ago want to make some like little trading cards of my cosplays and stuff, but I never like committed to it. So yeah, maybe one day. But I don't know how you like manufacture that sort of thing. Like I was just gonna make a really small amount and just like print them out and cut them at home. I feel like making like a proper set would be very expensive on a small scale. What is happening outside? We have a Hydrapple EX.
it's just like nothing. They are doing nothing outside that would require the noises that they're making.
No. A Blake order a scratch and sniff. What would it smell like, though?
Like Blake. Completely vague.
Oh, God.
Like bubblegum.
Unbold that Lydian. Special illustration rare. Lavender and sage. That actually kind of sounds like it would smell nice. Lavender is one of my favorite smells. Oh, we have Medichamp EX. I do love the idea of doing like a scratch and smell on a card, but the smell is completely unidentifiable. Like those pictures where they're like, you can win if you can identify like 3 objects, and it's just the most horrific art you've ever seen, and nothing is an object. Everything just kind of merges into each other and it's all weird. Like same vibe, but smell. Cyclozar, Caracosta, and Dorednor. But I also don't think do they do scratch and sniff cards? Is that a thing they do in sport?
I sure hope not. Haven't seen them yet.
No. So I think the only time I ever had a scratch and sniff was like in primary school. Someone gave me I think it was a substitute teacher, gave us scratch and sniff stickers for being good once, and I thought they were the most premium thing that a teacher could ever give you. And I got a strawberry one and I treasured it. Ooh, we have Meditite with a little chat out in the background. He's definitely not looking. He's definitely not being suspicious, not in the slightest. Simpson scratch and sniff. That sounds concerning. Scented markers. I don't think I had many scented markers because I didn't really like smells. But I did get gifted 2 giant Smiggle highlighters one year that were scented. And it was a blue one and a green one. And the blue one I think was meant to be blueberry, so it was like whatever, fine. The green one, however, was scented like mint. And anyone who knows me knows that I hate mint. Absolutely despise it. And it was horrible because I wanted to use my cool giant, and when I said, I mean, it was like this big. It was like a highlighter this big. It was crazy. I wanted to use it and be cool with my giant highlighter, but it smelled and I didn't like it. So, you know, love-hate relationship with a highlighter. Grubbin, Veluza, and Raging Bolts from the 90s. But I can't smell them through a picture. You've got to describe the smells to me. Like I can look at them, but I can't smell them. Toad School, Milton, and Caracosta. Drifblim, Papaya Berry, and Blastoise EX. That's reused art. That we've seen that before for sure. They're doing it again, people.
Who did we find out they were doing it with last time?
Huh?
They were doing it with another card, with another
Yeah,
Pokemon.
no, they've done it with a few of them now.
Forgot what it was.
It was a few of them from, I think, from Paldea Evolved that they reused.
Oh, Clodsire. I think it was Clodsire was one.
No, it wasn't Clodsire.
No? Oh.
No. It was, I think they reused a Charizard. And they reused, God, I can't remember who else. Wooloo, Electabuzz, and Klinklang. Rhyperior, Klink, and Raging Bolt. Yes! It's the Milcery special illustration. Wow, I love it so much. This is just, it's just giving Pokemon Cafe. And I'm living for it. Oh my goodness. It's even got little Pikachu sweets. And a little Pikachu cookie and a little Pikachu cookie cutter. And a little Jigglypuff cookie. And a little Galarian Panita sweet. And a Snorlax plate. Oh my good. I need to stop looking at the cards. Fido, Scorbunny, and Lapras EX. I love the rainbow ones. Buffalint, Salazzle, and Arcaludon. Yeah, the Charizard got reused later. We've seen that a couple times. I don't remember who else. Ooh, we have a Terapagos EX. Grand Tree. Oh, Galvantula EX in the full art. That looks so sick. That looks really cool. Stunning. Sparkling Crystal, Fidion, and Noctowl. I do have to say, I think that's my one critique of Stellar Crown is that in the ETB, the promo is in the same packet as the dividers. So you don't get like an individual little packet just for the promo. You have to open the packet to get like the dividers or to like separate the promo from the dividers. And I feel like I don't like that. Because when I have promos, I like to leave them in the little bags. I don't know why, I just do. But you can't do that unless you want it to be chunky with all the dividers for the ETB. And I hope they don't keep doing it. I am worried that they're going to keep doing it. Because I feel like I don't care too much about knockdown, so I feel like I wouldn't care so much about that. But if they do it for the EV sets, I'm going to be salty. I will fight someone. Toad's Cruel Room and Alchemy. And our last pack. Little Lantern and a Cinderace EX in the full art.